friends, welcome to Delectable Flavors. Today I'm going to share a recipe for a filling for dosa. So I'm going to share a recipe for masala dosa today. So how to make a filling for masala dosa. So first I'm going to take a pan, and in pan I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you prefer, any kind of oil you can use. And we're going to leave it for a second to heat it up. And once it's nicely heated up, then I'm going to add cumin seeds. After adding cumin seeds, I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. And I'm going to add a couple of ginger chunks as well, finely chopped. And meanwhile, I'll show you the other ingredients you need. So you need finely sliced onions. You need green chili, finely chopped as well. You need half of tablespoon of red chili powder. You need some green onions and cilantro to garnish it at the end. You need 1 big size tomato, finely chopped. You need one tablespoon of I'm using a Kitchen King sabzi masala for that, and I do have 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And you need about 6 to 7 potatoes. Those are boiled, peeled, and finely mashed up like this. So now our ginger and garlic is ready. I'm going to put onions in there. You can use any kind of onions, red, yellow, or white. And now I'm adding a green chili as well. Now I'm going to pour it and give a nice mix. And try to evenly spread in the pot so they're all fried nicely, and you're gonna stir them or fry them until they're a little brown in color. And definitely the salt we can add. So for salt, I'm taking half of tablespoon of salt, but you can add based on your taste. So now our onions are slightly brown. We are going to add tomatoes. If you want, you can add tomato paste as well. I prefer to use the fresh tomatoes. Now in this one, we are going to add one by one as the half tablespoon of chili powder, 3/4 of MDH sabzi masala, which is called a Kitchen King, and I'm using 1/4 of turmeric powder and half of teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to mix it. And now we need to put our flame down a little bit. If you want, you can add a little bit of water if you think it's sticking to the bottom of the pot. Cover it for about 30 seconds. So now you can take the lid off, and you can see it's nice and moist, and all the tomatoes are soft. So you can just press them down so that you're not going to feel the pieces of tomatoes. So it's going to turn into kind of a paste. So once you're done with mashing them up, the tomatoes, just give a gentle mix, and then take your potatoes, put the flame on down, and then put them in the cooking pot. You can take them out, and then you can mix them. Now you may need to add water at this time in order to get a little bit of consistency in terms of getting the salt and all kind of condiments and spices to be mixed up in the potatoes, and they are nicely blend in the tomatoes. So you can just mix them and then just press them down so you can mix them up, and try to mix them from each and every side so they're not going to stick to the side and stay yellow or white in color. Just put them together. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. Flame on 2 or 3, and then you can nicely mix because they're dry, and then you need to make sure your salt and your other spices are mixed properly into the potato filling. You can just press them down, try to mix them as good as you can, and if you feel like it's still not mixing, you can add a little bit of water, and then you can put the lid back and leave it for 1 minute. And put the flame on for. So meanwhile our potatoes are getting ready, so we are going to put another pot on the flame, and we are going to add 1 tablespoon of salt in order to make a tadka for our masala for the masala dosa. And for tadka I'm going to take the mustard seeds, and I do have the red pepper and I broke them into halves, so it's going to be tadka for the potatoes. So now I'm just waiting for this, and in the meanwhile I'm going to check if our potatoes are ready or how they're doing. So I would say try to see. Always try to use a non-stick. That's gonna give a really help to you in order to not to kind of take it off from the bottom. So non-stick is a good option for that. But again, if you prefer other one, that's fine. So now our filling is almost ready, and I'm just waiting for the tadka. I just need to take the potatoes off, sticking to the stirring stick, and now I'm going to leave it here. So now once our oil is ready, and then we are going to put peppers and mustard seeds in there. And if you feel like the oil is not enough in order to soak them up, you can just sprinkle it a little bit up from top, and make sure when you're doing the mustard seeds you cover it, because with the heat they can pop up and you're gonna have a mess all around your stove. So if you don't want it, just cover it and just wait for a few minutes, and you can start hearing the sounds coming. Mustard seeds are kind of dancing inside the pot, and they're gonna make a kind of a funny sound. And once they're ready, you will be able to smell. So once they're ready, you can smell the roasted smell of the mustard seeds, then you know it's ready, and then we will transfer into our potato filling. So you can hear the sound, they're popping. So it means they're almost getting ready. If you want, you can give a little stir or shake in the middle like this. And at one point you will hear the sounds are too loud, and then another minute you will hear they are decreasing or going down. When they're going down, it means they're almost ready. So now we're going to open, we're going to stir our potato filling. And now we're going to transfer. So I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm going to take the lid gently off. And here you can see it's all ready to go. And we are transferring into this. So now, once they're in there, now we are going to mix them in the potato filling. So now your filling will give you a very nice kind of a roasted kind of taste with these seeds. And these peppers, they are not hot, but they will give you a nice flavor if you're going to eat in your dosa as well. So now this is all about the potato filling, and this is all ready to be filled in the dosa. And now I'm going to transfer it into the pot because it's going to be easy for me when I'm going to make dosas. So it's going to go side by side with my batter when I need to fill it up. So it's easy for me to take the filling and fill it in the dosa. So as you can see, so I'm going to transfer everything in here. And once you're done with this, and then you can fill it in your dosa. So there are two ways to do it. If you want, you can garnish it at this point, and then you can add some green onions, or you can do it on each and every dosa as well. So whatever the way you like it, so you can go with that. So this was all about our, and this was all about the masala filling for masala dosa, so which is made of potatoes. So now if you want to do other fillings, you can do it, and stay tuned for another one, and I'm going to share the paneer filling if you want to make a paneer dosa. So I hope you liked our recipe, and if you did like it, please remember to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and try to share this recipe with as much as friends you can. Thanks for watching. Bye now.